Hi guys, it's Allysha from Allysha Lynn blog. I'm so excited to be back on Pixie Cup's channel to talk with you guys about the silicone storage cup. It is a super busy day for me. Like, I've got 1.5 million errands to run. I'm already pink in the face, and I also just started my period. So here's my not currently being used, obviously, Pixie cup, and I just got gifted this awesome silicone storage cup. Let's open it up. Ooh, I love the green. It says empower others, give back, and live free. Oh, I love it so much. So this is the travel cup. That's so cute. Like, you can just pop it in there. Here's a nice convenient way to travel and store it. Kind of what I'm hoping for is I can use this to clean my cup on the go. I usually use the wipes, but on my first day, my period's super heavy and I try not to leave the house, but I have to leave the house today. I have to run some errands. So I'm gonna take this with me and show y'all how you can use the silicone storage cup to actually clean your cup on the go. So come with me, let's run some errands, let's get busy, and I'll give you a full and honest review of this super convenient, super cute, look how flat it folds, little silicone storage cup. So let's go. Okay, so I'm out and about. We've been running errands for a couple hours and it's time to change my cup, and then I kind of want to clean it because it's been a busy day. Sorry, my hands are shaking. Welcome to having an anxiety disorder. But so I've got my cup here and I'm gonna fill it in the sink, and then I'm gonna take it into the restroom with me, drop my cup in, shake it real hard, and get it all clean. Okay, so it's full of water and I drop my cup in and then shake, and hopefully it's clean when I take it out so I can put it back in and have no worries at all. This is so fun. This is so fun. So we've been out, we've been about, we needed to clean, we did all that. I think it went really well, it worked. I obviously don't want to show any of that on camera, but now we're all set, we're all done. I didn't want to rinse it out in a sink. That felt kind of icky to me, but at least the outside stayed super clean. And I did go ahead and rinse that off just a little bit, and yeah, dumped out the liquid. That's the thing, dump out the liquid into the toilet bowl, and then, you know, we're all done. So I'm gonna drop this back in my bag and go about my day. That was super easy and I love it. I'm so happy with how this all worked, and 10 out of 10 would recommend. Obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, y'all, so we made it back home. That was about 5 hours of errands, but I love this so much. It was very handy. It was very discreet, super easy to use in the stall. Didn't even use one of the like larger stalls or anything like that. Just a standard stall, filled it up with water, cleaned everything. I just got home and rinsed everything off, and I went ahead and cleaned it with my Pixie cup wash. Everything works great. I feel like it's really clean. It's definitely a 10 out of 10, would use again, plan on using for the rest of my period and every period after. It did fit my Luxe cup, the bigger one, so I wouldn't be worried if you're a big user or a small user. It definitely fits the bigger cup perfect. So all in all, I'm so happy, so ecstatic. I'm gonna leave this out to air dry, and I'm feeling good. I'm so happy. So thanks for watching along. If you need a recommendation, this is definitely it. And use code Allysha at checkout for 10% off. Just my little gift from me to you. So again, my name is Allysha Lynn Vlog. If you want to find more from me, there's a bunch of links down below. Be sure to give Pixie a follow, subscribe to the channel. This stuff is incredible. It's a faith-based company. It's everything my heart wants and more. So give it a try. And thanks, Pixie, for having me again. It's been awesome. I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye, friends.